In today's digital age, the Proverbs 31 woman emerges as a beacon of empowerment and creativity. This virtuous woman exemplifies strength, wisdom, and resourcefulness, actively shaping online spaces that inspire others. From American influencers to African content creators and Latin American entrepreneurs, women of all skin tones and backgrounds are harnessing their talents to make a positive impact. They embrace their unique identities through beautiful braids and diverse styles, showcasing the richness of their cultures. These modern-day Proverbs 31 women leverage platforms like social media, blogs, and podcasts to share their insights, foster community, and encourage healthy living. Through authenticity and faithfulness in their missions, they attract followers who resonate with their messages of wisdom and wealth. Their creativity transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences, encouraging others to pursue their goals with confidence and resilience. By embodying the essence of the Proverbs 31 woman, these digital creators not only achieve personal success, but also uplift those around them, creating a ripple effect of positivity and influence. Together, they are redefining what it means to be a modern woman, proving that creativity and purpose can coexist beautifully.